In this video we will be creating this amazing animated login, loading using HTML and CSS. Let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is coding fastly and efficiently. I've created HTML and CSS file and I've linked the CSS file also. The first thing is that in the body I've created a div and the class name will be it's loading, and inside this I will create a span, and that's it. I'll start my live server. As you can see, going to CSS. Now the first I will style for the body. Here the first thing, its background color will be black and display will be flags. The min height will be 100 ph and justify content center, and align item will be centered. That's it in the body. The next I will say select the loading class, and the first thing is width will be 150 and also the height will be 150, and the position will be relative. Also the background will be transparent, and border radius 50%. Box shadow will be 25, 25, 75, and this will be RGBA 0 and 0.55, and border will be 1 pixel solid is, and display flags, align item center, and overflow hidden, and also the justify content center. That's it. Going to browser, as you can see this round circle, and I think it's good. Next, selecting the loading class again, and this will be before. The first thing will be content will be nothing, and the position will be absolute. Insert will be 20 pixel. Also the background will be transparent. Border will be 1 pixel solid, and this color. Border radius 50. Box shadow insert from inner side 5 pixel minus 5 pixel, and 25 RGBA, that's code 0.25, and also for comma, and this will be again insert 5, and this time 35, and RGBA or Z 0, 0 and 0.25. That's all. Now the next I will say the after. First thing, think it should be content. Next, position, width, also the height, border radius, border, this will be not solid, this will be dashed, and that's good. Box shadow will be same. I will copy this, also making it from solid to dashed. Now the next I will say select the loading class again, and this time I will say this span inside the loading. The first will be position absolute, Now I go to my browser. As you can see, that's code. You can see all the dashed border and this. The next I will say select the loading course again, and it's select the 4 of span. Content will be nothing. That's good. I go to my browser, and you can see that's good. You can change the color, but I think it's that is good. Now the next I will create the animation, span animate, and rotate this also. Create it using the keyframe tag, the keyframe property, and for animation name span animate at 0%. The transform will be rotate 0, and at 100 transform will be rotate I think 360 degrees. I'm going to browser again. As you can see, that's very much good. That's good. You can change the color of this I think, but that's good. You can I hope this will help you creating such an amazing loading. And if you like the video, press the like button and also press the subscribe button in order to get more content like this. I have a bunch of content. I have created playlists in my channel. You can check out this, and please subscribe to my channel if you like the videos. Thanks for watching it.